All right, settlements here. You finally reached the finish line. What should you have prepared and what should you expect? Now, be sure to have a government issued photo ID, generally a driver's license, a military ID, or a passport, and make sure that your ID is not expired. If it is, the title company generally will not be able to accept that, even if it's clearly you in the photo. If you've wired funds to the title company, be sure to have your wire confirmation just to be safe. If you're bringing a cashier's check, be sure to have that check in hand when you arrive. And it's always a good idea to bring a personal checkbook just in case any minor last minute adjustments were required. Any such adjustments will generally be quite small in the grand scheme of things. Now, during settlement, expect to sign a lot of paperwork. How long your settlement takes depends on the complexity of your purchase and how thoroughly you review each document before signing. Some settlements may last only 30 to 40 minutes, while others might take as long as an hour and a half. If you have questions, your closer, your settlement attorney, or your agent should help answer those questions as you proceed through the process. Want to learn more? Check out my home buyer overview. Ready to get the process started? Give me a call or schedule time with me down below. Until next time, take it easy.